Have you ever heard your cat making that strange chattering sound at birds outside? Most people think it's just frustration, but there's more to it. When a cat chatters, it's practicing the killing bite, a rapid jaw movement from the wild. Some experts believe it's a mix of excitement and mimicry, like your cat is trying to copy the birds. Imagine your calm indoor cat suddenly turning into a little hunter at the sight of a sparrow. It's a fascinating glimpse into their wild instincts. So next time you hear that odd chatter, remember, it's not just frustration, it's a secret survival skill. Why do cats chatter at birds? The surprising truth behind cat chattering.